We Muslims are the owners of Nigeria. We can only prove this to the world when election take place and we give them a clean sweep. When the day break and we crash them out in major states, the rest is a walkover. For that reason, brethren, the matter of PVC is mandatory. PVC is compulsory. PVC is a must. Lack of PVC is helping the infidels to press down Islam in this situation. Somebody will say there are 3 Muslim aspirants. Leave that one. We are coming to it. We will know what to do. We will not go into the election with 3 Muslim aspirants. Inshallah, we will know what to do. And where the need arise, we will show who you will follow. One person will be followed, the others will take heart. Not because the one we choose is better, but because it is a mandate for a Muslim to rule this nation. It is a must for a Muslim to rule this nation. No matter how the Muslim is, he is better than an infidel.